What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Payoneer verification code not received. First, you have to double check your registered info. Go to settings, then security in your Payoneer account and make sure your phone number and email are both correct and currently active. Step 2, look in spam, junk, or blocked messages. If you're waiting for an email, check your spam, junk, or promotions folders. If it's a text message, confirm Payoneer isn't blocked or filtered out on your device. Step 3, don't spam the request. Sometimes codes are delayed due to network or server traffic. Wait 2 to 5 minutes before hitting resend again. Too many quick requests might trigger a lock. Step 4, use the resend code button. On the verification screen, tap resend code and patiently wait for the message or email to arrive. Step 5, try another verification option. If possible, choose the call me option. Payoneer will call your registered number and give the code by voice. You can also switch to app-based 2FA like Google Authenticator for more reliable logins. Step 6, refresh your network. On your mobile device, turn airplane mode on then off. This refreshes your connection and might help the code come through. And finally, reach out to Payoneer support. If none of these work, go to Payoneer Support Center and contact them via live chat, email, or phone to get personalized help. Important notes: this guide is only meant to help you recover your own account through Payoneer's official procedures. It does not promote hacking, bypassing, or any unauthorized access methods. This video complies with YouTube's terms of service, promotes safe practices, and follows legal standards for financial security. And that would be all for today's quick guide. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.